Hello parents, guardians, and students of the class of 2025. Welcome to Fordham Prep Athletics. My name is Anthony Kurtin and I'm the athletic director. While I always look forward to our open house and getting an opportunity to sit and meet with you and discuss athletics and answer any questions you may have about our programs, this year is going to be just a little bit different as I'm coming to you virtually. Well, I'll still be able to answer your questions on the Zoom call and hopefully give you kind of a quick overview of athletics in this video. I do look forward to hopefully the near future when I get a chance to meet you face to face. Fordham Prep was founded in 1841, which is always a great segue into our athletic program, because that's exactly how many teams and sports we have. 18 sports and 41 teams. I always looked at it as a great advantage for your sons because it offers something different. While I understand they may be a baseball player, a basketball player, or a lacrosse player, and they've been doing that since they've been very young, one thing we want to promote here is a multi-sport athlete. We want you to try something different. So maybe your season is in the spring, and you have the fall and winter to do nothing. Take up another sport. Give something a try. Give a sport maybe you never even heard of a try. You never know how you may enjoy it, you may excel at it, and it may open up another door for you. You know, and worse than anything, it gets you in shape for the sport that you're looking to play, maybe in the winter or the spring. We're located on the campus of Fordham University in Rose Hill. It's a great advantage for us as we get to share and use Division I facilities of Fordham University. While we have our own gym, a competitive gym, and our auxiliary gym, which we play basketball and volleyball in and wrestle, and we have our weight room there as well, we're afforded the opportunity to use Murphy Field for our home games and practices, Coffee Field for our home football games and baseball games, and have the use of the Lombardi Center for their indoor track, their pool, their squash courts, and their tennis courts. So we are very lucky that our boys get a huge advantage of being on campus and getting to use, like I said, Division I facilities. Well, Fordham Prep is known for their academics, and hopefully that is one of the main reasons you're choosing Fordham Prep. We do translate some of that success in the classroom onto our athletic playing fields. During this time, we've had many successful teams that have won city championships, whether that be cross country, soccer, baseball, basketball, hockey, swimming. I don't want to leave anybody out. Tennis, and golf, and so on and so forth. We even had state championships in lacrosse. We've had state champions. We've had swimmers in state championships, and we've had rugby in state championships. Even going further, the national level, we've had our crew team place nationally second, and then we've had our squash team compete nationals and finish in the top 5. So while academically we are superb, we also translate that into the athletic realm, and I think that helps combine what we look for is a student athlete. Remember, student first, athlete second, but I think the combination of all that put together creates a well-rounded young man, which not only prepares them for college, but for further on in the real world. I want to thank you for the time this evening in speaking with you. And I look forward once again to hopefully meeting you in the near future. But in that time, I want you to take care, be safe, and God bless in all your endeavors. Take care.